Last month I made $1,500 online. No fancy degree, no paid ads, just my phone, laptop, and consistency. In this video, I'll break down exactly how I did it step by step, so you can try it too. At the start of the month, I asked myself one question. What can I do that people actually need? I didn't want quick tricks. I wanted something real. So I focused on affiliate marketing and freelance gigs, because both can start with zero investment. First, I joined Amazon Associates and ClickBank. I picked 3 tech products I personally use: a microphone, a ring light, and a budget laptop. Then, I made short TikTok-style review videos showing how they work. People clicked my link, bought the products, and boom, by the end of the month, I earned $600 in commissions. Pro tip: you don't need millions of views, you just need useful, honest content that helps someone decide to buy. Next, I used Facebook groups and LinkedIn to find freelance clients. I offered social media post design using free tools like Canva. My first client paid $50. Then another came, and by the 3rd week, I had 6 clients. Altogether, that brought in $900. Pro tip: don't wait for clients to come to you. Post samples of your work every few days. People will notice. Here's what really helped me. I set a 3-hour daily routine. I posted 1 short video every 2 days, and I tracked every sale using Google Sheets. Once I treated it like a real job, the results became real too. If you want to make your first $1,000 online, start with 1. Promoting products you already use, affiliate marketing. 2. Offering a skill online, design, writing, video editing. 3. Staying consistent for at least 30 days. Because the truth is, it's not luck, it's strategy, plus action. That's how I made $500 in 30 days online. And if I can do it, you can too. If you found this helpful, hit follow for more real ways to earn online. Remember, start small, stay focused, and grow big.